Using the web environment as a brand building tool. Usability is paramount, so you want to make it easy for users to find information, respect users' time, provide a consistent web environment, and communicate brand look and feel through all visual and verbal elements. In the web environment, there's so many different types of platforms now to be able to advertise. So for instance, if we look at our graphic here below, we have Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Those are search engines. So on those search engines, you can buy advertising called pay-per-click, which is a sponsored link. It's called search marketing. So when the user types in a keyword like toaster, right? Well, on Google, what'll come up is the top two searches are going to be ads. So maybe, toaster companies bought ads for anybody who searches for the word toaster, right? To try to get them to click on their website and buy their toaster. So that's pay-per-click marketing. And the opposite of that, but still on a search engine, is organic, natural search engine optimization. So SEO, if you've heard that term, search engine optimization, it's the same thing. You type in toaster in Google and a bunch of things populate. Well, what comes up first that's not an ad for toaster? Well, that would mean that that's an organic search, and that whoever's company that is or website that is, they did a good job getting their product at the top of the search engine. That didn't have to pay for it, basically, right? But then if you want to find out more information about that, you could search, do a Google search for that. And basically, you'll be able to find out there's certain categories and things that you need to do in order to get up there pretty high on the search engine. The other one would be conversion architecture on our web design. So that means if a company or a person goes to the website and decides that they want to buy a product from that website, well, there's tools that show how many people have visited the site and how many of those people actually bought something from the site. And that's a good tool to use for a marketer to find out if the site's doing a good job at converting people to sales, or if they have to change something on their website to be able to get more sales. Social technologies, media, networking, reputation. So we got Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat, all these big social media companies now are putting advertisements on there that many people are using, of course, because they're going on there to see what other people are doing, and on top of that, they're seeing ads from other from companies and such. So Facebook and Twitter all have tools where companies can go on and buy advertising space on those sites to appeal to certain types of people. And so Google Analytics is just another tool, is just evaluating just websites and different types of user activity. And it's a lot easier to track than television, and it's more concrete, and all that data is there, and companies are using that more and more, and that's why it seems like websites and just overall web environment is attracting a lot more advertising these days. Other forms of advertising and promotional design, we talked about YouTube videos, blogs, websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You're going to see these little graphics and banners that you could click on, of course, to that kind of show you ads for products. Brand needs, designed to meet brand needs. Products are designed to meet what the brand needs, right? Basically, it's pretty simple, and Nike is one example of that, where they have a sport type of audience, so they're going to design shoes within that realm to be able to appeal to what their customers want. So brand needs cooperatively communicate a brand message. They have a similar feeling and meaning, possess the deliberate and definite brand voice. They work in harmony to present a consistent brand look and feel. They have similar tone and voice in all verbal communications and support each other either directly or indirectly. In summary, in branding, the heavier promotion call to action comes from the advertising and promotional design. The advertising agency should be working from a similar strategy as the branding group with a consistency of message, tone, visual appeal, and brand voice. Advertising should have a unique tagline, show off the uniqueness of the brand, differentiate, relate to the audience, and generate a call to action. As distinguished from commercial advertising, which promotes brands, public service advertising is advertising that serves the public interest. Unconventional advertising is advertising that ambushes the viewer. Embedding products into the television shows or films is called branded entertainment. Promotional design is graphic design whose function is to introduce, sell, or promote products, ideas, or events, and can encompass an enormous range of solutions. Cause-related marketing is used to raise funds for nonprofit organizations and run in paid media sponsored by corporations. Brand advertising should work cooperatively with the brand identity to communicate a brand similar message. The brand core concept, brand essence, and advertising idea should be communicated through the design of a campaign. The web environment is a brand building tool, and creative digital applications can help brand building. That concludes this presentation.